Hi, I'm Yasmin. Today I'm going to talk you through how to set up your Next Home phone from Southern Phone. First, let's have a look at what's inside the box. First, we have the battery backup, the modem, the battery lead, and the phone lead. If you've ordered one to cater for multiple phones, you'll also have an adapter. Step 1. On your existing telephone handset, dial *21, followed by the 10-digit activation number, followed by the hash key. You will hear a long beep, then you can hang up. Your 10-digit activation key is located on the first page of the setup guide, which you would have also received in the box. Step 2. Start by plugging your Next Home phone battery into the power. Then hold the power button down for 5 seconds. Push the on/off button on the side of your modem. The power light on your modem will go green. Step 3. If you're using just the one phone, remove your phone cable from the phone wall socket and plug it into the phone port on your Next Home phone. If you have more than one home phone and ordered an adapter on sign up, plug in the adapter into the phone port on the Next Home phone modem. Then plug your first telephone handset into the first port on the Next Home phone adapter. Connect the cable from the phone wall socket into the second port on the adapter. This will ensure that any additional handsets will continue to operate on the Next Home phone. Step 4. Now that you've set up your Next Home phone device, you're ready to complete the activation of your service. On your handset, dial 125. An automated system will confirm your details and a recorded message will thank you for activating your Next Home phone service, confirming that the service is active and ready to use. I hope you love your Next Home phone. If you're still not sure how to set it up, you can watch this video again, give us a call, or live chat with us on our website.